Happy Friday, and thanks for watching Mid-Morning. Thousands of people in Minnesota and western Wisconsin dealt with storm damage this week.
Wind and hail took out a lot of siding and roofs. Most of us know our homeowners policies will pay to repair that damage, but there are some caveats, and Heather is here. You went in search of answers to find out what your insurance does cover after a storm.
Yeah, so we just looked specifically at the storms, sort of hail and windstorms, and they'll cover most of hail and wind damage. But as you know well, this storm came in from the west.
As these typically do. Yep.
And in a lot of people's homes, if your home faces the west, it may just be that you had damage only on one side of your house.
And so what does insurance do? Does it just cover one side, or will it do all of the siding?
So in a lot of cases, unless you paid extra to get all four sides done, a lot of cases it will just cover the side that is damaged.
So what happens if it's mismatched then?
Well, they have to match it.
I love that.
Oh, they do.
Insurance company's like, well, this was on sale,
so
you have a blue side of your house
It's
now.
an accent side,
right?
Yeah, right?
Oh, that was popular at one time.
No, they are required to match. They are really, and so if they can match, they will just do the damaged side. Now, if they can't match, they will do all four sides. So if your home is 20 years old and they don't make that siding anymore, but I was talking to a photographer here. He said this happened to him. He said his home was 20 years old. He thought, no way can they find a match. They found a match.
How hard they'll work if they can save some money.
All right, so what about the roof? A lot of people have roof damage when you get hailstorms like that. Are they going shingle by shingle?
Right, that's what I asked. Are you just going to do little bits in here? So you have to have a certain, they won't ever cover cosmetic damage for a hailstorm. It has to be a certain number of hail hits in the roof. Right, I know.
Oh my
and so it's very specific. I mean, we're talking about a lot of money.
Yes,
I was talking to an insurance agent a couple years ago. He said insurance companies are now just roof replacement companies.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah.
What about for trees? Because where I live, every time we get a storm, we have we have so much tree damage. We lost like half of a tree with this one.
Yeah. So they won't cover landscaping in a lot of cases. You can pay extra, but most
like
cases
for
they
bushes
won't.
or roses
or yes, but trees. She's told me that a lot of times they'll go up to $1,000, sometimes $500 for a tree. But the catch there is a lot of times you're on the hook to remove that tree.
Oh, sure.
Just go back to the roof thing real quick. A lot of times what they'll do is just replace half the roof.
Half the roof?
The part of the roof that's damaged. They won't.
Is it going to match?
They won't do shingle by shingle.
Okay.
But a lot of times they'll do one side of the roof.
So get a black roof, because I would think that'd be easier to match.
What about your car if that's left out and you've got hail damage on that?
Yeah, they'll get the car. The car is, So homeowners can cover a lot. So I even asked, will they do a play set in your backyard? And that's considered personal property.
Oh, really?
Deck furniture is generally considered personal property.
Next time there's a storm, I'm sticking the TV outside. I don't know.
I don't know.
Personal property.
That might not work out for you.
New smart TV.
Shouldn't have said it on TV.
Yeah.